What's up, Wonders of London fans? Take a look at this. I am just outside St Pancras Hotel, which has got the date 1873 up at the top there. It looks absolutely fantastic from this angle. You've got this wonderful old-fashioned clock tower on the top. Which still has the number 4, as opposed to the Roman numeral, is what we think about it as 4. And you can see there, right to the top, and it sort of has a curved effect, swinging right around here. And as you can see, now folks, the good news is this is just around the corner from King's Cross Station, one of the easiest stations to get into London, especially St Pancras, because it has overground links, and not just overground links, but you can actually go abroad in it. Take a Eurostar to Europe if you wanted to. And in a moment or two, I'm just going to have a little walk around and actually show you the front of the station. Because we're pretty nearby. And there it is. That's actually the St Pancras underground station there on my left that you can just head right on into this way. And if you were to carry on a little bit further, you're going to see the whole sort of crossroad open up. And if you didn't want to use the underground, you wanted to get into King's Cross, maybe you're going to go and see platform 9 3/4. Maybe a Harry Potter fan. Maybe you're just late for work. But this is where you want to go. And there we go, folks. It's a busy Thursday afternoon here in London, just around rush hour, of course, about 20 to 7. And Euston Road is not only full of traffic, but of course we're full of commuters. Usually lots of police around. You can see, of course, the same building that we started here, extending all the way down this road. Folks, if you enjoyed this Wonders of London video, please consider hitting that little subscribe button and give us a little like. We'll be back with plenty more content and exploration around London. Thank you so much for watching. Peace out, guys. I'll catch you in a little bit.